Okay, today we are going to do a little ornament craft that has our Bible verse that we've been learning. But before we put it together, we actually have to decorate and color our ornament. So what I'd like you to do is color first. I don't want to cover up our verse. I want to keep it so I can see it. So I like to use yellow whenever I'm coloring on top of words. So make sure you use a light color so that you can see the verse underneath. Then we're going to put it together and turn it over. You're going to take your glue stick or your glue and just put glue on one side, okay? Then you take your pipe cleaner, put it right there in the middle, and then you carefully fold over the top and you press it out like that. And that'll seal it together. To make the loop, you have to put the pipe cleaner together, cross it over like this, and then you just twist over and around down one side, and then you take the other one and you twist over and around and underneath down the other side, like I'm doing here. So you want to make a loop to be able to hang this up. But we want to add these embellishments. Now these are really great to use. And what you have to be careful of is there's a bit of glue on the back of the stars. And when you take it off the plastic, you got to carefully try to make sure that the glue stays on the back of the stars. Because if you pull the glue off the back, it won't stick. But you could always use your glue stick to glue it on. So I think I'm going to put my stars right there. And the same thing for these. Get off the plastic so that the glue, sticky part, stays on the back of the little rhinestone. So there we have a lovely little Christmas ornament that I can hang on my tree or hang in my room with the verse that we've been learning about, how
God sent our Lord Jesus Christ to make peace with